Want to personalize your iPhone's voicemail? A custom greeting replaces the default carrier message, letting you create a unique experience for callers. This feature is available on iPhones running iOS 12 or later. As of iOS 18.2, Siri integration allows you to say, "Hey Siri, set up my voicemail greeting" to start. The setup is straightforward and works with visual voicemail, so you can manage greetings directly from your phone. Let's dive into how to set it up. First, open the phone app and tap the voicemail tab at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap Greeting in the top left corner of the voicemail screen. Then select Custom from the greeting options. Tap Record to speak your greeting. For example, say, "Hi, this is your name. Please leave a message." Tap Stop when finished, then play to review your recording. Tap Save to set it as your new greeting. Consider using the greeting gallery for pre-made templates if you need inspiration. If you have any issues, make sure your cellular data is enabled and try resetting voicemail settings in Settings, Phone, Voicemail.